from a place outside Guelmim. Good morning, Madeleine. Good morning.
Glenn.
Enjoying the scenery?
Yes, it's beautiful.
She's looking well. Pure peace. I can't hear anything except birds singing. And there's a campsite in the background, so really a nice setup actually. Breakfast time, Madeleine. We're ready to rock with your Fuller into the wild. We're gonna go for a small walk. Yella, yella, yella! We're going for a random walk here into, we don't know where we're going actually. Act the nomad and walk into the wild. I blend right in, yeah? I'm a nomad. Welcome to South Morocco. Ghost town around here. Nice to explore though. Let's go. Walk this way. Meet some locals. Have a conversation. Have a good time. See some wildlife. See some Moroccan wildlife. Let's go this way. The Saharan lady. Hello. Creative, these Moroccans. They could make anything with anything. They just create houses and fences with the environment. I mean, compared to Europe, yeah. It has to be done cheaply, of course, to be affordable. Because not a lot of people have too much in Morocco. That's not too bad. That's pretty solid. Not bad at all. And then they make houses from the clay and the clay from the ground. I mean, they have rocks and clay. But it takes a long time to make. But it's much better for the summertime because it keeps the cold air inside, so it's nice and cool. So it's not too hot during the summertime. But it's cheaper, but it takes much longer. So, you know, efficiency over time. Yoo-hoo! Hi, hi, hi! Assalamu alaikum. Very nice, very nice. Three musketeers. Chilling like a villain. So we went back into the city, Guelmim, the so-called door to the Sahara from the campsite to explore the town while purchasing some Berber
It has to be a
clothing.
large one.
Okay.
But you don't need a large one. You need to be stylish a little bit because large one, look, you need it double the size. For them is like...
Do you wear black collar for weddings and parties? The blue one for traveling and stuff in the dunes. Like I told you, it's the camouflage. That's why blue collar is everywhere.
Alright.
When you wear a blue collar on the end, the top of the
I'm Muslim.
you blind him with the sky.
I'm Muslim now. When we finished, we went to the cafe to get some lunch, beans and chicken. We also met a guy at the campsite, which we brought along. He was from Austria.
It's just a chicken and the chips.
Look at this guys. Points of orange juice. When we finished lunch, we went off walking the streets. We got invited for tea by a local mechanic. It's always pleasant getting an invitation from a local because it's always an emotional connection. We're here for a minute or two, yeah? Mechanical.
He's a mechanic, yeah? He's a mechanic. Looks like a guy.
They all invite you in for tea.
Yes, sir. Yeah, he just asked me if the guys don't drink sugar. I said they don't, but your tea that from the Sahara, you do drink the sugar. Because it's different. فعلا هذه كاع ما كتشرب السكر. I said why you been mechanic from 1977? Is about the money? Or he said no, because I always loved mechanic and I rather be dirty all the time than be clean, but I'm not happy.
We were exploring around the Pacific region of Guelmim as we needed to meet Noordine's family members over the next couple of days, and we also got spoiled with plenty of food, so we needed to stay in the area and see everybody. Got into Noordine's uncle's house. Yeah.
the bottom now?
Going into the family's house now. Take it easy. Chill out. African streets.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What are we doing? Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Assalamu alaikum. Oh,
Really looks like
Afghanistan.
yeah. I don't know why.
No, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe for future content.